Negotiable Instruments Act, Section 103, Protest for non-payment after dishonour by non-acceptance. Section 103 of the Negotiable Instruments Act, 1881 deals with bills of exchange that have already been dishonoured by non-acceptance and are payable at a place different from the residence of the drawee. The section provides that such bills may subsequently be protested for non-payment at the place specified for payment without requiring a second presentment to the drawee. The provision simplifies the procedure relating to dishonoured bills and avoids unnecessary repetition of presentment after refusal of acceptance. 1. Purpose of the provision. The object of Section 103 is to facilitate commercial convenience and avoid unnecessary formalities where a bill has already been dishonoured by non-acceptance. Once the drawee has refused acceptance, his unwillingness to honour the bill is evident, and the law permits protest for non-payment without requiring a further presentment to him. 2. Applicability of the section. Section 103 applies where a bill of exchange is payable at a place different from the drawee's residence or place of business and has already been dishonoured by non-acceptance. The section operates only when the bill remains unpaid before or at maturity, in addition to the other prescribed conditions. 3. Dishonour by non-acceptance. Dishonour by non-acceptance occurs when the drawee refuses or fails to accept the bill upon proper presentment, indicating an unwillingness to undertake liability under the bill. Once such dishonour occurs, the holder acquires immediate rights against prior parties, and the bill may later be treated as dishonoured by non-payment if it remains unpaid at maturity. 4. Bills payable at another place. The section applies where a bill is payable at a place different from the drawee's residence, in which case payment is expected at the specified place and not at the drawee's residence. 5. Protest for non-payment. Where a bill remains unpaid before or at maturity, the holder may have it protested for non-payment at the specified place of payment, and the protest serves as a formal certificate by a notary public recording the dishonour of the instrument. 6. No further presentment necessary. An important feature of Section 103 is that no further presentment to the drawee is necessary after the bill has been dishonoured by non-acceptance. The holder need not again approach the drawee, as the earlier refusal is treated as sufficient indication of non-payment risk, allowing protest for non-payment to proceed directly and avoiding procedural duplication. 7. Payment before or at maturity. The section applies only where the bill remains unpaid before or at maturity, as no protest for non-payment is necessary if payment is made and the instrument stands satisfied, making actual non-payment a prerequisite for protest. 8. Purpose of dispensing with further presentment. The law dispenses with another presentment because refusal to accept already indicates an unwillingness to honour the bill, making further presentment unnecessary and promoting efficiency and certainty in negotiable instrument practice. 9. Commercial importance of the provision. Section 103 is commercially significant because it simplifies the procedure after dishonour by non-acceptance, reduces unnecessary formalities, and protects the holder's remedies. The provision also facilitates prompt protest and enforcement, particularly in transactions involving bills payable at a place different from the drawee's residence. For more details, contact us.